I welcome you all to the online classes of computer. As we had already completed our 10 lessons, today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 11, Information Technology. So this is the last lesson. After that we will start the revision work. So I request you all, before starting the revision, you should all complete your notes in your notebook. As you know, from the next month you are having the final exams, so for that you have to complete your notes. Next is information technology. You all know about the information technology. Technology means what the things we are using nowadays, which is very helpful to us in every field. You all are familiar with the technologies which are invented nowadays. So let's start what it is given in the book. Information technology or IT includes all aspects of technology related to communication and information. IT is not limited only to computers, although computers form the backbone of all IT services. IT is involved with communications in all forms like print, electronic, and wireless. Information is the keyword in IT, and all IT services are aimed at better collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and distribution of information. Some of the recent developments in the field of information technologies are data warehousing. What is data warehousing? Let's start. What is data warehousing? So, data warehousing is a collection of data structured and designed for further querying, decision making, data mining, and knowledge discovery. So, here some characteristics are given of data warehouses. So, let's see. Data warehouses are designed to help you analyze data. For example, to learn more about your company's sales data, you can build a warehouse that concentrates on sales figures. Using this warehouse, you can answer questions like, who was our best customer for this item last year? This ability to define a data warehouse by subject matters, sales in this case, makes the data warehouse subject oriented. Next is integrated. So first characteristics of data warehouse is subject oriented, and the next one is integrated. Integration is closely related to subject orientation. Data warehouses must put data from disparate sources into a consistent format. They must resolve such problems as naming, conflicts, and inconsistencies among units of measures. When they achieve this, they are said to be integrated. I hope you understand what is data warehouses and what are the various characteristics. Integrated means when we are closely related to subject orientation. Next is non-volatile. Non-volatile is also the characteristics of data warehouse. Non-volatile means that once entered into the warehouse, data should not change. Means whatever we are doing once, it can't be changed. This is logical because the purpose of a warehouse is to enable you to analyze what has occurred. Time variant. In order to discover trends in business, analysts need large amount of data. This is very much in contrast to online transactions processing OLTP systems, where performance requirements demand that historical data be moved to an archive. A data warehouse focus on change over time is what is meant by the term time variant. Next is, so here are some characteristics we studied, that is subject oriented, integrated, non-volatile, time variant. Next is artificial intelligence. You all might heard about the artificial intelligence, that is AI, can be formally defined as the study and the design of intelligent agents, where an intelligent agent is a system that understands its environment and takes action which maximize its chances of success. It is a branch of computer science that deals with intelligent behaviors, learning, and adaptation in machines and computer systems. Research in AI is concerned with producing machines that are intelligent and can learn over a period of time. The concepts of robots and automated machines which can perform variety of tasks independently by analyzing the information given to them or collecting information from the surrounding environment are two key areas where AI has been used successfully. So nowadays what are the inventions we are seeing, this all comes under the artificial, they are all made by the artificial intelligence. The robot Asimo, designed by Honda, can recognize faces, facial expressions and gestures. The automated lighting systems which dim or brighten the light depending upon the time of the day make use of AI. Next is application of artificial intelligence. Nowadays you can see so many games are provided to us. So artificial intelligence also gives us so many artificial games which we can enjoy. All has been used to produce machines and software that can play master level chess and learn to play better by recording and observing the style of a human player. Many computer games can change the difficulty level of the game play based on the skill level of the human players. Next is speech recognition. Speech means the most natural medium of communication. Communication for human being, speech. Voice recognition is a broad term which means it recognizes a speech. For example, a call center system designed to recognize many voices. Voice recognition is a system trained to a particular user where it recognizes the speech based on the unique vocal sound. Next is computer vision. AI is used to create machines that enables a three-dimensional view of object as seen through human eyes. This is used in developing latest games that have 3D graphics and 3D movies. Computer vision has influenced the field of artificial intelligence greatly. The RoboCup tournament and Ashimo are the examples of artificial intelligence using computer vision to its great extent. Okay, so these all are the various field things about the artificial intelligence. Next is expert system. So this is the last chapter and this is the last topic also. So AI can create knowledge expert systems where a machine can receive input on a situation and based on the given data can provide solution for it. Medical machines that can diagnose symptoms of a disease and prescribe treatments for it has been produced. Medical software that can detect changes in the behavior of bacteria and viruses have been tested and found successful to a small degree of accuracy. The usefulness of current expert systems depend on their users having common sense in interpreting the result. Next is Theoretic Qualification. So what is Theoretic Qualification? You heard about the antivirus. So it is the one of the antivirus. You can see one of the most feasible kind of expert system where AI is put to use is called heuristics and involves making decision based on information is one of a fixed set of categories used using several sources of information. An example is an antivirus software. Information is available about the sources of virus, its mode of action, the way it spreads and the files it affects. Using this information, an antivirus can decide whether an unknown piece of code is a virus or not. Okay, so heuristic qualification which helps us to recognize to know about the antivirus. Okay, next is virtual reality. Virtual reality means nowadays you can see so many programs or games which is virtual, means it is not a reality but it is made by the technology. So virtual reality is a technology which allows a user to interact with a computer simulated environment whether that environment is a simulation of the real world or an imaginary world. Virtual reality has been used to create extensive and amazing graphics leading to creation of whole computer worlds which a user can explore and inspect like in real world. Most entertainment applications of the present day are based on visuals. Virtual reality will allow players of the future to experience a variety of tactile events. For example, in a simulated boxing match, virtual reality users would bob and weave, throw, land and receive punches in return. Next, virtual reality also has a practical applications in business, manufacturing and medicine sectors. Already, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA, has developed a virtual wind tunnel to test and design aerodynamic shapes. Next is careers in computer industry. So much you know about the careers, which is very important in computer industry. IT is one of the largest and the fastest growing industry in the world. There are numerous avenues and opportunities of career exploration in the computer industry. Today, careers in the IT industry are numerous and varied, ranging anywhere from high-level IT infrastructure planners to computer programmers to telecommunications specialists, graphic designers, web developers, technical writers, and mobile application developers. So, I hope you all understand about the IT, which is very important for nowadays. That what all the informations we are giving and receiving, and the best thing we are getting from the technology, that is information technology. Okay, so here we had completed our chapter. In the next class I will send you some more videos, and I will also give you the notes related to this lesson. And I hope you all had completed your notes. Try to do your study nicely. Thank you.